Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add role or permission on Discord. Before I get the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification button so you can get notified. Okay, this is my channel link. I'll put on in the descriptions. Okay, now let's jump to tutorial. Okay, you can see your server name on the top left corner, and then you'll see an arrow icon at here. Press this, and then you'll see a selection called server setting. Press server settings. Okay, and then good selection called roles. Press this. Okay, before you add any role, make sure to double check. Don't give any permission or power to the everyone. So this manage server, manage role, manage channels, kick or ban members, they need to be closed. Okay, just accept, then create invite, change nickname, change their own nickname, read text channel, see voice channel. Okay, this is the everyone can do. So you need to double check first. Okay, after you finish double check, you can go to the roles. Beside roles have a plus icon. Okay, but it's not so clear because okay, so now press the plus icon, and then you'll see a row called new row. So press this new row. Okay, and then you'll see, okay, here row name, change any name you need. Okay, for me I just set it to admin. Okay, make sure to drag and be below the co-owner or owner, so he can control the rows that below him. If the member row or another row higher than admin, the admin cannot control them. You only can control the row below you. So need to make sure the admin row is higher than the others. Okay. After this, display row members separate from online members. What is it? Okay, let me show you. Okay, before I do save changes first. Okay, so now I set the row to admin. Okay, if I did not set display row from others, it still remain online. So you go back to the server settings and then go to, okay, so now you're gonna set display row members separate from online members. When turn on, okay, so okay, also allow mention this row so other people can mention this admin. If you don't want people to ping you, you just turn off this. Okay, so now let's see this, he will become separate from the online members. Okay, so now, okay, it's the permissions. Okay, now administrator. Okay, this is the he can almost control anything on your server. Change your nick, your server name, your role, kick member or ban members. Okay, so this is a little bit dangerous, so not so recommend. Recommend you is to set manually. Okay, so okay, this audit log is like who people send any message or server inside. Okay, so you can allow this manage server, so you can change your server name or move regions. Okay, this is not so recommend. So this manage roles, this manage roles, like you can add another you can add or maybe co-admin member role. Okay, so you can allow this, and then manage channel. You can create more channel and then become general room 1, meeting room. Okay, so kick members. You can kick any members that violate the rules. Okay, ban members is depends on you. I think it's no need. Okay, if you want also can. Okay, this is manage nickname. So with this on, he can change other people nickname. Okay, this manage emoji, so you can upload an emoji to your Discord server, your custom emoji. Okay, I will make a tutorial on next few days. Okay. Okay, so this rigs text channel and voice channel, this must on. If not, they can see any text channel on your servers or voice channels. Send message. Okay, they can manage message. This is the most important, so they can delete the message violate your rules. Okay, so you can on this permission, embed links, attach file. Okay, This one was called mention everyone, alliance and all roles. Okay, this have a one more powerful is this can allow even though this allow anyone to mention this role permission is disabled, that the still can mention the role. So you can turn on this. Use external emojis. Okay, so it's like a custom. You can custom an emoji. Reaction connect to the voice channel, speak or live stream their gaming or anything in your Discord servers. Okay, this mute members so you can mute. Okay, so they can speak. Different members like can different the member and then the member cannot listen anything or speak anything. Okay, this I think scans move member. Move members mean he can move the member from one channel to another voice channel. Okay, priority speaker is mean when the admin is talking, the other will be the sound will be lower. Okay. Without the permission, when activated the volume or other without the permission will be automatically lower. Okay. So I don't think this is needed. So after setting all and then double check is it not incorrect things. Okay. After this, you can press save changes. Okay. Now you can see okay. Okay, and still one more thing. How do you change the role color like this become blue colors? Okay, you go back to the server settings and then go roles and then you can see here you can pick colors. Okay, maybe I pick yellow and then save changes. Make sure to save all changes you have changed. If not, it will all be discard. Okay, now so next time this people send message, it will become his username will become yellow. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my video. See you next video.